How to reset carrier furnace. If your carrier furnace isn't working properly and you need to reset it, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and safely reset your carrier furnace, plus where to find the reset button. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to turn off the furnace power and shut off the gas supply. You'll want to be safe and avoid any potential issues. So simply flip the furnace power switch to off or turn off the circuit breaker that powers your furnace. Also, if applicable, turn off the gas supply valve. Next, locate the reset button. On most carrier furnace models, the reset button can usually be found near the control panel or on the furnace's burner assembly. It's typically a small red or yellow button. Look for it closely to where the gas valve or ignition components are located. Once you found the reset button, simply press it. You should feel it click when it resets. This action clears any minor errors or shutdowns that might have occurred with the furnace. After pressing the reset button, turn the power back on by flipping the power switch to on or resetting the circuit breaker. And now wait a few seconds to see if the furnace starts up again. And that's it, you've successfully reset your carrier furnace.